What's up guys, I'm Kevin from Mesa Decks. We had a fantastic 2024 season. We did many beautiful projects. And today I'm really excited to tell you guys that we're kicking off the season here in Huntley. We've got a beautiful two-tone black and white louvered pergola going in this beautiful outdoor living space. We're gonna load it up. We've got screens, we've got heaters, and we've got lights and even a TV. So make sure you stick around and follow us to see how this turns out. All right guys, so now we're on top of the deck and I wanted to walk you through a little bit of what happens when you're preparing a louvered pergola if you're going to be installing it on an existing structure. So here we removed a couple of deck boards. Our pergola is going to be placed on the inside of our railing post, and one of the things that we have to consider is adding some structural reinforcement. So our posts are going to be located right here. So what we did when we took the deck boards off is we added these 6x6 posts and we put them here horizontally going across. We screwed them in, and this is going to help reinforce the structure and make sure that we have something solid to mount our posts on. It anchors everything for you and sets everything in place. One thing that we're going to do on this particular project, we're going to have our gutter on this post. So here we're just going to modify this a little bit, put our post. This deck is waterproof already, so we're just going to tie our louvered pergola gutter system into the existing deck drainage. On this side, we're going to run our wiring for our heaters, our screens, louvers, everything. So we're going to do a little bit of wiring before we cover everything up. Now, our customer had a little bit of a ding on her deck, so we're just going to go ahead and replace all of these deck boards for her so that once everything is done, we have everything cleaned up for her. Now on this side, we already have some of our louver parts set up. So as you can see up here, we have our ledger attachment set up against the house. We're gonna waterproof around it. We've got our gutter set up, and we're just gonna start building after that.
cuando tú llegas y te ves,